भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We are seeing Ktwa Pratyaya niyamas. When Ktwa Pratyaya comes, at that time guna or vriddhi will not happen. Guna vriddhi will happen by which sutra? In other places.
One will be Ad Gunaha.
No. In these prakriyas.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Is it that Adesha Pratyaya?
Adesha Pratyaya Sakara will change into Shakara.
It is Adecha Upadeshe Ashti.
Akara will get At Ekara.
Okay, that is different. Glai Glata, that is that one. No, for Adecha Upadeshe Shiti, the example was Jalai, sorry, Glai Glata, that one.
Glai becomes Gla. Guna happens like Bhu becomes Bo. How Bhu becomes Bho? We saw this sutra.
Atogune.
No. Sarvadhatu Kardha Dhatu Kayoho. By this sutra, guna will happen. And for Vriddhi, different sutras are there. One is Achuniti is there. Yes. Okay. Here, this guna Vriddhi will not come in Ktwa Pratyaya. That point we have to note down. If the dhatu is set or anit, then if it is set, then E will come. If it is not set, then E will not come. Like Pat dhatu is set dhatu, Patitva. Here Ikara will come. Has dhatu, Hasitva. So for E, did we see this sutra? We saw this sutra also. What is the sutra for Ikara? If it is said dhatu, Ikara will come. What is that sutra? E means it agama. It agama comes by?
Na Ktwa set.
Somebody is saying?
Na Ktwa set. Can we say that?
No.
There is also
No.
1
Ardhadhatuka.
1 to 18. Okay.
Continue. Shri Shaji.
Ardhadhatuka Sed Balade.
Ardhadhatuka Sed Valadehe. By that sutra, here it agama happens for Sed Dhatus. So, Pat is the Sed Dhatu. Ikara comes Pat, E, Va, Patitva. Has, E, Tva, Hasitva. Then, Krutva, Hrutva. Kru is the Dhatu. But it is not Sed Dhatu, it is Anit Dhatu. So, here, Ikara will not come. Krutva, Hrutva, Dhrutva. Again, Likhitva is there. Lik is the Dhatu. Ikara is coming. That means it is said dhatu. Ruditva, jitva. Jitva, there is no change. Ji is the dhatu. Chi, ching chayane. Chi is the dhatu. Bhu is the dhatu. Bhutva. So wherever there are no changes, then itagama is not happening. Wherever ikara comes, itagama is happening. Up to this point is clear?
Purna, can you repeat the last one? It agama, how it happens?
Purnaji, can you show the screen for the...
Are you not able to see?
No,
Yeah, we can see the screen.
Yeah, now the screen is there.
No, we can see the screen. The it agama, how it happens, can you, the last one, I didn't understand that part.
Okay. Here, pat is the dhatu. Pat dhatu is said dhatu. Pat is said dhatu. So while I am doing this, don't open this document. Otherwise, whole document will disappear. It is happening in other classes. Kindly everyone close this document. But Ktwa Pratyaya is there. This ikara comes because of this sutra, Ardha Dhatu Kasya Dvala Dehe. When the dhatu is said dhatu, after said dhatu, if there is Ktwa Pratyaya, then this dhatu will get it agama. It means takara will be there, takara will get lopa by Halantyam Sutra. Pat dhatu, it agama happens. Now this takara will get lopa. Here also kakara will get lopa by which sutra?
Lashakvatati.
Lashakvatati.
What is the final form?
Patitva.
Patitva. When it comes to bhu dhatu, bhu is not said dhatu. It is anit dhatu. So ikara won't come. It agama will not come. Ka will disappear by lashakvatadite bhutva. Is this clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
That is up to this, that niyama. Niyama 125. Earlier niyamas. This is 135. 125 in 125 niyama 1, 3, 4, 5. All these points are same. So you can look at there. यहाँ पर भी लाएंगे. Hritva labdva. So these sutras, I don't remember, we saw. Some of those sutras we saw, some of those sutras we did not see. So this here, what happens is Sandhis niyamas are coming in these points. It is not prakriya, it is Sandhi niyamas. Labdva is there. We will see the labdva, how it comes. Lab is the dhatu. And Ktwa Pratyaya we are doing. First sutra is Jashas Tato Dhodaha. By this sutra, Dha Dhatum Vihaya Anyesham Dhatunam Vishaye Jash Varnat Parasya Takarasya Thakarasya Cha Dhakaraha Bhavati. Dha Dhatum Vihaya. Is this Dha Dhatu? Lab is Dha Dhatu?
No.
No.
No. So Dha Dhatum Vihaya means eliminate the Dha Dhatu. Don't take Dha Dhatu. Anyesham Dhatunam. All other Dhatus. Whatever Dhatus are there. So this is not Dha Dhatu. So we can take this Dhatu. Anyesham Dhatunam Vishaye. Jash Varnat Parasya. So in Para, Jash Varna should be there. So this after getting lopa of ka, that takara is Jashvarna, right? Tva. Now this lab dhatu is following the Jashvarna. In that Jashvarna, takarasya or thakarasya, chakara, takara or thakara will be replaced by dhakara. This takara will be replaced by dhakara. In any dhatu other than dha dhatu, if it is followed by jash pratyahara, then the takara or thakara will be changed, will be replaced by dhakara. So here takara, it is following this, the takara will be replaced by dhakara. Lab plus dha. Dha. But what is the form? For us, this bakara should be alpa prana. Labdhva is the form. So for that, jhalam just jashi. Another sutra came. This sutra says jal varnasya jash varne pare jash varna adeshaha bhavati. Jal varna, when it is followed by jash, then this jal will be replaced by jash. This we saw, I think, in sandhis. This bhakara is jal varna and it is followed by jash. This bhakara will be replaced by jash. In jash, what are the letters are there? Ja, ba, ga, da, da. Only 5 letters are there. In that, what is the similar to bhakara is alpa prana bhakara. How do we know which letter we have to replace? That is the first we have to see ucharana sthanas, and next one is abhyantara prayatnas. That we saw earlier. labdhva. So this is how labdhva has formed. Is these two sutras are clear?
Yes, Amma.
Yes, Purna.
Labdhva, how it comes, like that only rudhva also will come. Next, ditva, sitva, mitva, sthitva. For this, there is another sutra. We saw this sutra. Dhyati, syati, ma, stha, mitti, kiti. Dhyati, syati. Dhyati is dadatu, syati is sadhatu. Ma, stha, iti etesham anganam. All these dhatus, the anga, etesham anganam ikara adeshaha bhavati. Akara, they are ending with akara. This akara will be replaced by ikara when it is followed by takara. Takara, which belongs to kit pratyaya. Here we'll take ma dhatu. Ma is the dhatu. This ma dhatu is akaranta dhatu. Akaranta dhatu followed by takara, which is kit pratyaya. Tva pratyaya. Tva pratyaya is kit pratyaya or not?
It is.
Pratyaya.
Kit pratyaya. Kakara, it's sanyaka pratyaya. That's why it is called kit pratyaya. Then tva is there. This takara, which belongs to kit pratyaya. Then this akara will be replaced by ikara. Ma becomes me plus tva. Mitva. It is how. This is how. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Amma.
Purna.
Purnaji, one small request. Would it be possible to write the sutra name next to the Rasvaikara? Just so that.
Here?
That, yeah, just on the side here, like yeah, there. Even just, yeah, that's it.
Other thing is clear? Okay. Next. Gatva, ratva, yatva, natva, matva, datva, buddhva. All these dhatus. Gatva. What is the dhatu?
Gam dhatu.
Gam
Gam
dhatu.
dhatu.
Ratva.
Va pratyaya.
Ratva. Which dhatu?
Ram.
Ram dhatu. What happened to Makara? We saw this sutra.
Yes.
Those who are attending Sarvaveda and Siddhant Sar Sangraha in Telugu, they just saw.
Is
Yes,
this
Amma.
is this
Nudattopadesha
Vanati Sanati?
vanati tanoti
Tanoti.
adinam anunashika lopaha jali iti sutrama.
By that sutra, Makara will get Lopa. Then Gatva, direct. We don't need to, there is no process anymore. Anunasika,
It's 6437.
6437. So, Anudatopadesha Vanati Tanotyadi. Here we take Gam Dhatu only. See, Gam Dhatu, Makara gets Lopa. Ye Dhatavaha Anunasikantaha Anudatta Upadeshaha Santi. Whatever Dhatus are at the end, Anunasika, if it is there, Tesham Angasya, one Ityasya Angasya. Tesham Angasya, will take that one only. Tesham Angasya, their Anga. Jhaladi kit nit pratyaye pare. If it is followed by jhal pratyahara, which belongs to kit or nit pratyaya, then that makara anunasika will get lopa. That is the sutra. All these dhatus are like that only. It could be yam is the dhatu or yan is the dhatu. Yatva, nam is the dhatu. Natva, man is the dhatu. Matva. I think this is the dhatu. It looks like datva only.
It is written as Hatva, Amma, Han in our book.
Han dhatu. Okay. Han dhatu. Hatva. This is buddhatu, buddhva, badhva. Not buddhatu. It is badhva.
Bandh.
Okay, bandh dhatu. Nakara gets lopa. Up to this is okay. Jan आदि में ई भी लगता है. So this janitva, satva, sanitva, khatva, khanitva. For janu, jan dhatu, only one form is there, janitva. For this sadhatu, satva, sanitva, two forms are there. For khan dhatu also, khatva, khanitva, two are there. Two forms are there. That ikara comes by. Did I mention that sutra? No, I did not mention. I think there is some difficulty, I think, in understanding. So I did not mention those sutras, but we can check those in Ashtadhyayi forms. Two kinds of forms are there. Then Uktva, Suptva. Uktva, what is the dhatu?
Vad dhatu. Vad.
How vad becomes uk?
Let me look at my.
We saw this.
This is samprasaranam, right? That is.
Samprasaranam happens to vadu dhatu.
It's vach actually. Vach
dhatu. Vach dhatu, samprasarana happened. When samprasarana happened, what will change? What modification happens here? Okay, we'll see here. Like vach is the dhatu. Ktwa is the pratyaya. Samprasaranam, when it happens, Samprasaranam means what?
There is that conversion of vach to uktva and all that, right? So
No, Samprasaranam means that I, U, R, Ya, Va, Ra, La will change into I, U, R. This is called Samprasaranam. Ya, Va, Ra, La, 4 letters will be replaced by I, U, R. What happens is eco energy, ik will change into yan. In Samprasarana, yan will change into ik. Opposite. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
This Samprasarana happens by which sutra?
is it vachaswapi yajadinam kiti?
Yes.
Okay. That is
Vachiswapi.
6.1.15.
Vachiswapi yajadinam iti. Next, U is there, A is there, Cha is there. This akara, Purva Rupa, it will get Purva Rupa. Means it will get Purva Rupa means what is the Purva letter in this?
Ukara.
Ukara. So that akara will get the form of ukara. Then ukara only will remain. Ukara is there, Cha is there. This happened by Samprasaranacha. By that sutra. This Purva Rupa will happen by Samprasaranacha. These sutras are a little bit confusion because when Samprasarana happens, this sutra Samprasaranacha won't come. At that time, Vachiswapi Yajadinam, there is no relation to that. And that sutra will come. Samprasarana will come when there is Purva Rupa happens. So for sutra and vritti is a little bit different. Next, what will happen? This sutra also we saw.
Uktva.
Chokuhu, right?
Yes.
Choho kuhu. Yes. Uktva it becomes. Choho kuhu. Sorry. So, is this prakriya clear?
Yes, Amma.
It will be the for every dhatu samprasarana won't happen, but sup is the dhatu suptva, ishtva, uptva, gruhitva. Grah is the dhatu. Grah becomes grah. Do you remember the sutra? It's a big sutra. I don't think you remember, and I don't remember that we saw or not. Grahi swapi yajadin, not grahi. Grahi jya vai vyadhi vashti vachi vichati vrishchati pruchati brijhatinam niticha. We did not see that sutra, but sutra number is 6116. You can note down if you want. Graha becomes gru. Graha becomes gruh. Grahi jya vai vyadhi vashti vichati vrishchati pruchati brijhatinam niticha. Grihitva vidva prishtva. Prish is also here, it is there. Vrishchati pruchati. Yeah, but here it won't change. Prach is the dhatu. Prach becomes prush. Pruch. That by this sutra only. Hutva udva. Udva here also vah is the dhatu. Samprasarana will happen. Uditva ushitva. All these are due to these sutras. Changes happens. Next one is Paktva bhuktva. Pach is the dhatu. What happened? Which sutra comes here?
Choho kuhu.
In both. Choho kuhu. Prashtva, drishtva, ishtva, srishtva. So in all those, whatever, like some places, shtunashtuhu, prashtva, shtunashtuhu will happen in all these forms. गा पाके आको ई को जाता है. गा पा. घू मा स्था गा पा जहाति साम हली. We saw this, right?
Yes.
Where did we see? Okay, I will explain
In today's class.
Huh?
In today's class we saw, right?
I will explain the niyama, then you can find out where. Gu sanyakanam anganam. You first leave it the gu sanyaka. Just take ma stha ga pa jahati means ha sa iti etesham. All these dhatus. When it is followed by haladi kit nit pratyaya. It should be followed by hal. Hal belongs to either kit pratyaya or nit pratyaya. Then that akara will be replaced by ikara. Do you remember where we saw?
Yes, the example was ma, miyate, ha, hiyate. I think karma vacha, bhava vacha shabdas.
There in Ashtadhyayi they have given ma, miyate and all. But we saw in Ktwa Pratyaya, Nishtha Pratyaya. See, then nimitta is what? Kiti niti pratyaya. Kit pratyaya and nit pratyaya. So tva pratyaya, ta pratyaya, not tva pratyaya, sorry. Nishtha pratyaya, ta tavatu, right? In nishtha, there are two kinds of pratyas, ta and tavatu. Ta means kakara get its sangna. Ta remains. There, kit pratyaya, that ta pratyaya is nothing but kit pratyaya. Tavatu pratyaya is nothing but kit pratyaya. There also same sutra will apply. Wherever this kit or nit comes, if it is followed by hal, then akara will change into ikara. Is it clear?
Punaji, we saw this in karma vacha and bhava vacha. That is niyama 112, abhyasa 27. We also saw it in the, as you said, that was more recent. But earlier than that, we saw
112?
Niyama 112, Abhyasa 27. That was in the context of Karma Vachya and Bhava Vachya. Rudadigan. Yeah.
Kama, stha, ga, pa, ha. Okay.
That's why it's ma miyate ha hiyate.
Okay, okay. Thank you. But there, it is not kit and nit. It is haladi pratyaya.
Yes, it was a different.
Tiptaschi, siptastha, mipvasmas. So all are haladi pratyaya. So there we have used this. E.
Ali, yes. The different nimitta was there. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So here, what happens here? Ga is there. Ga becomes gi. That's all. Yeah, Ktwa is already there. This niyama is clear to everybody? Next, jna dhatu, jnatva, tra dhatu, tratva. Next, dirgha rukara will change into ir. Do you remember? Anybody remembers it? This also we saw.
Is this the ring sharing shoe or that giryate? That's, yeah, same niyama 1127420. Ring share link shoe?
No, here the nimittas are different.
The nimittas may be different, but there also we saw gr as giryate. That's what we saw.
Yes, yes.
And Poorna we saw. Pur for with takta pratyaya we saw.
So for ring shag lingshu we saw that?
At that time gr was mentioned. Gr became giryate, but I think pr becomes pur plus ta pratyaya. That we saw when we saw ta pratyaya. And I don't know if that's a different sutra. So Ringsha Lingshu is 7428.
Oh, for Purna, Radabhyam Nishtato Naha Purvasya cha Daha. They have not given. How Pru becomes Pur, that they have not given here.
They have not given.
But they have given it is Pur Dhatu, not Purna. Tirna will look at. What is the sutra for Ringsha Glingshu? Number?
7428. Is that what you were asking?
Sutra I have to. 7428. श प्रत्यय परे यक प्रत्यय परे असार्वधातु के लिंग लकारे परे च ऋकारांत धातोः रिंग आदेशः भवति. Okay, re adesha will come in the place of ru, but the nimittas are different. It should be as shakara or yak pratyaya and or asarvadhatuka ling lakara. These three are the nimittas. either it should be shakara followed by shakara, or it should be followed by yak pratyahara, yak pratyaya, or it should be followed by asarvadhatuka ling lakara. Here, none of these nimittas are working here. So here, what is our point? Here. Through is the dhatu, dirgharukaranta. I need to copy the dhatu. Ruta id dhatoho. This sutra says, Dirgha rukaranta dhatoho. Angasya antima varnasya ikara adeshaha bhavati. This through is there, Dirgha rukaranta dhatu. And anga means this rukara is anga. Antima varnasya, through itself is anga. Antima varna, angas antima varna is rukara. The dirgha rukara will be replaced by ikara. So through becomes T by this sutra. Is this clear?
Clear.
There is no, even if there is, which pratyaya is following, what is following, nothing is there. Just whatever is the dirgha rukanta dhatu is there, it will become ikara. It will get ikara.
So dirgha rikara will get rasva ikara.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
In the Rupa it is Dirgha Tirtva. You have to make it Dirghanam.
Yes. Now, this Halicha Sutra comes and says, Refa Vakaranta Dhatoho. This Refa Vakaranta Dhatoho is one word. Which Vachana is this?
Shashti.
Shashti
Dvivachana.
Dvivachana.
Dvivachana. So, Refa and Vakara, both. If the Refa and Vakaranta dhatus are there, then Upadha Bhutasya Ikvarnasya. If the Upadha is Ikvarna, then Hal Varne Pare. When it is followed by Hal Varna, then that Hal Varna, when it is followed by Hal Varna, that Upadha will get Dirgha Adesha. P is there, plus our Pratyaya is what? Ktwa Pratyaya. This Dhatu is Refa Dhatu, right? Original Dhatu. Original Dhatu is Dirgha Rukaranta. That means Refa. Refa Dhatu. And it should be followed by Hal. It should be followed by Hal. So it is following the Ta Pratyaya. Twa Pratyaya means Twa is there. It is followed by Hal. Then Upada Bhutasya Ikvarnasya. Sorry, first what I explained is not correct. Upada Bhutasya Ikvarnasya. Upada Ik. This Ikara is Upada. Whatever Ikara is there in T, that Ikara is Upada. That Upada will get Dirgha Adesha by this sutra. Tirtva. It becomes Tirtva. Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Teacher.
If you notice, then you may have one question. Anybody has question in this?
Rakara Refa is Tir.
No. Any other? Upadha means what?
Second last letter before the...
Second last letter. In T, how many letters are there?
2. There's
Takara
Ikara.
and Ikara. Takara and Ikara. So, where is the second? What is the second last letter?
There is Ikara, right?
Here, second last letter means from here. Right to left we have to go, not left to right.
But it is Ikara and the Tika when you take the T.
Here we had taken Ikara as Upadha, but earlier when we did second last letter means like any example?
Isn't it usually in the Anga that we take? Or we take the Upadha and the Anga for the Dhatu, right?
No. Yes. Upadha will take as Dhatu second last letter. But here it is not second last letter. Ikara is first letter, right? Not second last letter.
Yes,
That's what I want to. I'm trying to say is Ikara. So in some places, this is how we do. But what is the difference? What is the explanation? We'll see later. I just raised the question. Okay. Oh, time is up. Gitva, Pitva, Jnatva, Dirgharakaranta. Okay, shall I finish these 2 niyamas? Only one sutra is there for this. For last one, sutras are not there. Shall I finish one sutra?
Sure, Poorna.
Anunasikasya kvi jhaloho kniti. अनुनासिकान्तस्य अंगस्य उपधा वर्णस्य क्विप् प्रत्यये परे झलादि कित् प्रत्यये परे झलादि नित् प्रत्यये परे दीर्घ आदेशः भवति. Anunasika anta, this come is anunasika, having ending with the anunasika come, then it is followed by jhaladi kit pratyaya. This twa is jhaladi kit pratyaya. Leave it jhaladi nit and kvit pratyayas. Just take jhaladi kit pratyaya. Pare dirgha adeshaha bhavati. This come will become calm. Kam plus tva. Kantva. Again, nascha padantasya jali. By that sutra, it becomes kam and tva. Then again, anuswarasya yai parasavarnaha. By that sutra, kan tva. It becomes. So, it becomes, final form is kantva. Like this, it comes. Oh, the final one is Kantva. Kramitva is also there. Kramitva, earlier we saw that sutra. Shamitva also we saw that sutra. And the last point is Da becomes Datva, Dha becomes Hitva. Each dhatu will have different sutras. So those dhatus we can look at just forms in the Ashtadhyaya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.